I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting by eliminating the simplest but most effective cause, power state. First, verify your Smart Bro account shows active service. Use the provider app or recent SMS. Once confirmed, unplug both the modem and Smart Bro router. Wait a full 60 seconds to clear capacitors, then power the modem only. When modem LEDs indicate a stable internet link, plug the Smart Bro router back in. This sequence forces renegotiation with the ISP and often restores routing without deeper changes. Once the hardware is stable, inspect configuration to find hidden issues. Log into your Smart Bro router through 192, 168, 1, or the app, use your credentials, or perform a soft reset only if locked out. Check the WAN IP and DNS. If WAN reads 0, 0, 0, 0, you likely lost PPPoE authentication, so re-enter credentials. Also confirm DHCP is enabled for clients and note firmware version. Outdated firmware can break connectivity, so update it if available, then reboot the router to apply changes. Finish by isolating remaining failure points. Plug a wired PC directly into the router modem chain. If wired internet works, adjust wireless channel, SSID, and security settings to resolve only Wi-Fi issues. If wired also fails, perform a factory reset on the router, then reconfigure PPPoE credentials and network names. When problems persist, request an ISP-side MAC or IP refresh. This often clears provisioning. If you call support, give them exact LED states and timestamps. That speeds diagnosis and resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.